Hello, what's going on? Welcome to my channel. Like and subscribe. Working with the band El Chilo de la Sierra, I came across a few things, a few people. Um, I'm gonna be a clown. I did some studying and some research, and I found this, and I'm making balloons. Give it a shot. This is what I came up with. Sword. When you put on your head. Yes. Dog, not the best. And a flower popped. Working on it. And a teddy bear. Not the best looking teddy bear, but it's something. Yep. What's going on? It's me again. Got a swan, a super soaker, a turtle, a butterfly, airplane, another rabbit, a heart, a sword, crazier, and you can say something you put on your arm.